Singaporean Chili Crab. Ingredients. Save recipe. 1 tablespoon, 8 gram, cornstarch. 2 tablespoons, 30 gram, water. 7 tablespoons, 104 milliliters, peanut oil. 2 to 3 shallots, minced, about ½ cup. 1½ inch knob ginger, grated, about 2 tablespoons. 6 medium garlic cloves, minced, about 2 tablespoons. 4 Thai chilies, minced. 2 whole mud or Dungeness crabs, about 1 pound each, prepared. 2 cups, 500 milliliters, homemade or store-bought low-sodium chicken broth. 1/4 cup, 66 gram, tomato paste. ½ cup, 125 milliliters, hot sweet chili sauce. Salt, to taste. Sugar, to taste. 1 large egg, beaten. ½ cup thinly sliced green onions. 1 cup fresh cilantro leaves. Rice or steamed buns to serve on side. Directions. In small bowl, whisk cornstarch with 2 tablespoons water, set aside. In large wok with lid, or Dutch oven, heat oil over medium heat until shimmering. Stir in shallots, ginger, garlic, and chilies. Cook and stir until fragrant, about 1 minute. Add crab pieces and broth. Increase heat to medium-high and bring to a boil. Cover loosely and gently boil, decrease heat if necessary, until crab has turned red and is nearly cooked through, about 6 minutes. Remove cover and stir in tomato paste and chili sauce. Simmer 1 minute and season to taste with salt, sugar, or chili sauce. Stir in cornstarch mixture and bring to a boil to thicken. Remove from heat and whisk an egg. Stir in green onions. Ladle into serving dish, sprinkle with cilantro and serve.